Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to create this last minute Valentine's look. Starting out with my face, I love using this Vitality Nourishing Facial Oil by Laneige, which leaves me really hydrated, and it has argan and marula oil. I need to have my lips hydrated, so I'm using the Osmia Lip Doctor. This is by far one of the only ones that hydrates my lips. I will be defining my brows using the Plume Pomade in Cinnamon. For a primer, I'm using the Jane Iredale in Smooth Affair and Naked. I will be using two eyeshadows by Elate Beauty. The brushes that I will be using are by Jane Iredale. This one is a crease brush, and I'm applying Beloved all over my crease. With the same brush, I'm applying Oracle all over my lid and crease. Then I am taking this eyeliner brow brush and I'm applying Oracle at the bottom to smoke it out. For foundation, I'm using the Glow Time BB Cream, and I am in number BB7, and then I'm using this stippling brush by Jane Iredale as well. I love having a clean cut, so I'm going to be using this foundation brush and just swipe it by the shadow to have it nice and clean. For bronzer, I'm using this Solar Translucent Bronzer in Spicy by Vapor. I'm blending everything with a Dome brush by Jane Iredale. To contour my nose, I'm using the same product, and I'm using the sculpting brush by Jane Iredale. To set everything in place, I'm using the RMS on powder. To add more definition to my face, I'm using the 100% Pure Bronzer in Cocoa Glow. For mascara, I am using the Elate Beauty Mascara. For the lashes, I've been wearing this a lot in my pictures, and it's by Baddington Lashes in Monroe. For my lips, I wanted something luxurious, so I have this Kjaer Weis lipstick in Affection. To finish it off, I'm lining my lips using the Kjaer Weis lip liner in Mauve. There you guys have it. Happy Valentine's. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button.